Hello everyone, here we have a Breville bes820xl. This unit was brought in because steam wasn't coming out of the steam wand. Instead it was coming out of the base up here. So we took the steam wand off and found that there was a crack in the gasket. And we also found that the tip was clogged. So we unscrewed this part and cleaned this whole mechanism. So now, as you'll see once I turn it on, steam does come out of here. However, water still leaks from up here, and that's because of the crack in the gasket. And unfortunately, Breville doesn't make this gasket. You cannot replace this, so you have to live with the crack. But the good news is that steam does come out of your steam wand now. So let's fire her up. Steam is on. It's priming. So yeah, like I said, you can steam your milk or your almond milk or your soy milk or your oat milk or whatever milk you're using, because water is, as you can see, coming out. I'm just clearing that part for water. Steam will come out shortly. And there's your steam. However, if you look carefully up there you go. You see the water dripping down. So unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about that. So you're gonna have to worry about a little bit of water dripping to the base. As you can see, it's minor, just a few drips here and there, and that's because of that gasket. But it does steam now, so there you have it, and your steam is fixed and ready for you to pick up. Thank you.